Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a drawing that I just did. It's a rough draft drawing, but I'm not really that great at art to begin with. But yeah, anyways, I just thought I would show you guys what I drew. So I'm sorry if my camera's bad, but anyways, I drew this Prissy kitty. This is the blue Prissy kitty that I was talking about. But for some reason, it's like, I haven't seen it on the internet, haven't seen it anywhere, but it's a blue Prissy kitty like this. I must say, I think I did the best on the eyes, but that's just my personal opinion. I like what I did with the nose and the mouth, too, as well. So, yeah. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of this drawing, if it's okay, if it's good. It's a rough draft, so but I'm not really that great at art to begin with. But I wanted to be hands-on drawing for you guys, and this took me forever to forever to you know do, because it was like, how am I going to do this for you guys, cuz I don't even have a stand. So, yeah. So anyways, now I'm just kind of editing uh this top of the head. So, yeah, anyways, this is the Prissy kitty, and I only felt like filling in those two S's, by the way, if y'all are wondering. I didn't feel like filling in all the bubbled letters, so, yeah, anyways, that is going to be it for, this video. I hope that you guys liked this video, and I hope that you guys like this drawing that I, made, too. Anyways, I'm going to get going now, and I will make more drawing videos later on, so, yeah. Take care, everyone. I love you guys so much. Bye, y'all. Love y'all.